431 B 991,228.jpg phase I, GS1 compilation 2018 type text page 34 Q.16 What is a coastline? How do coastlines get their shape? Are coastlines transforming due to climate change? Examine what will be its consequence for the low-lying coastal regions. Discuss. Approach. In introduction, define what is coastline. Then in body part, start with how coastlines get their shape. Second part, mention how due to climate change coastlines are getting transformed. Then final part, write what are the consequences for low-lying regions. Note, don't use too much of technical words, this is just answer. Use words from basic NCERT. Background, the coastline, also called a seashore, is the area where land meets the sea or ocean, or a line that forms the boundary between the land and the ocean or a lake. India has a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers covering mainland and islands. Points to be covered: how coastline get their shape, natural, waves, wave erosion and wave deposition help in formation of coastlines. Sedimentation, brought by rivers, streams, flood water, eroded cliffs. Currents, ocean currents also help in formation, upliftment and depression of land. Anthropogenic, ports and island, construction of ports and artificial islands. Dredging, activities involving dredging along seashore. Coastlines are transforming due to climate change, sea level increase, due to increase in activities like tsunami, cyclones, precipitation, storm surge leading to sea level increase, which in turn leads to coastline changes. Increased erosion and deposition, due to increased phenomena like precipitation, floods, tidal currents, etc. Consequences of low-lying coastal areas: flooding, frequent flooding will take place. Submergence, in near future. Acidification of shoreline due to constant mixing of land-based minerals brought in by human activities. TLP Phase I, GS1 Compilation 2018 type text page 35 Damages to human environment, ecosystem, coastal resources like coral reefs, mangroves, etc. Economic losses. Many metropolitan cities of the world are located along coastal areas like California, New York, Mumbai, Hong Kong, Singapore, etc. will need to be relocated. Conclusion: climate change is a man-made disaster waiting to happen. Necessary steps have to be taken to reverse climate change. World countries should come forward to limit the climate change as agreed upon in Paris Climate Conference to create a sustainable future. Connecting the dots. Disaster management. Impacts of climate